In a public meeting held at Nongkrem today, Arden Miller Basayomoy, the MLA of Nongkrem and also President of the Voice of the People's Party VPP, officially announced the sanctioned State Rural Work Programme SRWP schemes for the year 2024-25 amounting to Rs 2.5 crore. A total of 10 schemes have been approved under this year's SRWP. These include individual beneficiary schemes for the construction and expansion of low-cost housing, along with community-oriented projects such as the development and improvement of educational institutions and community buildings within the constituency. During the event, Arden Basayomoy also publicly released the list of beneficiaries, underscoring transparency in the implementation of the schemes. The Nongkrem MLA emphasized that the selected projects aim to address pressing local infrastructure needs while ensuring that development reaches the grassroots.
Baka sorkar kala nadu kanika tem ka berda kala penkiu je kanika MLA scheme bat kumbagalong matahi ka sorkar kala mangtang na ka SRWP arglor shiteng tegini kalong ki scheme baper ki ba nga kumu MLA ngalamang ndangam ta ka constituency kumang jule mo katuka Sipo hajar ke arsan hajar bat ka hiusan hajar ke yeng bodok man marmot ki yeng ni ban pentha kamera bat ka rep ni kinu inu kambarin ke bagi bridging kitre te nolonang tapat ngamang scheme nam ta ki school ki college ki yeng snong bat kum ta ter te kini kilong ki scheme ki ba ngalamang mangalatroa sika sorkar bat menjur bamata kalong stang bangi elect siki block ki jingi bangin sim naladi bangilapan penankam te kabaningkong construction of 80 number of low cost houses kajing snai gi baduk kapotli gi baduk nang ta baar kajing maramat bakajing penkha kamera sispa kapotli gieng kabalai banai jingrap lagalongi ki nongrap dani ki badan hikam ki barit ki kam khai bodukan ladi kanu kajing tre kajing ki patba sanspa gieng Nangta kapasa kawan kani ka construction of college building at Smith College Lumkansai Smith hagador arpusanla te ngatrai gani kaladi ka among ka bahetam ka ba ni ai namar ka college ka dang don ka me jingkasan ka barat ba ka ba extension of school building at Hajam Kisa Singh Memorial LP School Lumkansai Smith kani pakari ka school jong ka Balang Unitarian Hapo Smith Chipola Nangta construction of fencing at Smith Cremation Ground Sanlak kani pa kani jaka ka ba ai nangta ka Sengasi Hapo Smith bakin care ka jaka thang Sanlak nangta ka ba new construction of community hall at Laiko Nongdaneng ka jisna ka ying snong Hapo Laiko Nongdaneng ka Sanlak construction of martial arts training center ya kani ka team revolution MMA and fitness at Laiko Nongdaneng Shipola te baling ai gini namar ngari wei na ki sakri pat ba o baju smutna ban penslur bangi ngenang ban sumar ya kamet ka phat ka kot ka thia kani ga dei ka badon kam ngi bangin smutho ban pikir namar ngi ba ka jingkot thia ka dei ka badon kam tam te namar ka takum ga jing penslur gini ki samla ngalamang sipho lak tingka